Hi, center teachers. I wanted to make you this quick video explaining how to use this Priority Standard Data Tracker. Pretty simple, but just wanted to walk you through it. So every grade level has their own tracker. This is just going to be a simple way for us to store the data from those little mini quizzes, mini checks we made for the priority standards when we met over the last few weeks. So within your priority standard tracker, the first tab you'll see is an example tab, and then there's 3 additional tabs. I'd like you to change the name on these tabs across the bottom to be the teachers that are on your grade level team. So teacher A, Mrs. Smith, teacher B, whatever, so on and so forth. So here is our example. So you can see here I've listed students 1 through 20. Please go ahead on your tab, list your students' names. Then my example here for this one, I had three priority standards, and we were going to look at the data from there for this unit. So I wrote priority standard, here's the code for the standard, and then for this example, we gave a 3 question. So I just wrote, okay, student 1 got 1 question out of 3 correct. Student 2 got 2 out of 3. 1 out of 3 for student 3. You can see how that works. And you do the same thing for each of the standards. If for some reason we made a quick check that was, 2 questions for a standard, change this to be, out of 2. Or if it's 4, do it out of 4. So you're inputting your data for each student here. When you're done with all of your data, then I'd like you to calculate the percentage of students that scored proficient. So in this case, since this priority standard, there was 3 questions. In order to score proficient, they would need to get 3 out of 3 correct. So I calculated, counted the number of students who scored 3 out of 3, and I think that was 6, and then I divided that by 20, the total number of students, to find that 30% of the kids were proficient on that priority standard from this little quick check. Of course, this is just an example. If you need to add more priority standards, feel free to just copy a column and add that in the case that you have more than 3 or 4 priority standards within this unit. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to me via email, and I will be happy to support you. Thanks.